Hey everyone, accidentally deleted a file from your Mega account. No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted files in Mega step by step. Yeah, Mega includes a way to restore recently deleted items, so you may be able to get your files back quickly. First, open your web browser or the Mega desktop app and sign in to your Mega account. Make sure you're logged into the account where the deleted file was originally stored. Next, open your Mega cloud storage and look for the rubbish bin or trash section. Deleted files are usually moved there instead of being removed immediately. Now open the rubbish bin and browse through the deleted files and folders. You can use the search option if you have many items and need to find a specific file. Once you find the file you want to recover, right-click it or open the Options menu. Then choose the Restore option to move the file back to its original location. Mega will restore the selected file or folder, and it should appear again in your cloud storage. Larger folders may take a little longer to restore depending on the amount of data. If you cannot find the deleted file, check whether it has been permanently removed from the rubbish bin. Files that are deleted permanently may not be recoverable. To avoid losing important files in the future, consider keeping backups of your important data or syncing files with your devices. So having an extra copy can help protect your information. If you use the Mega Desktop app, make sure it has finished syncing after restoring files so your changes appear correctly across your devices. And that's how you recover deleted files in Mega. With the Restore feature, you can quickly bring back accidentally deleted files and continue using your cloud storage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.